In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Facebook Album. Alright, so I'm here on my screen and I'm going to start by opening up Facebook. Just go ahead and launch it like you normally would, and once it loads up, you should be on your main feed. From here, I'm going to move over to my profile. So I'll just click on my profile picture, or my name, and that takes me straight to my profile page. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm going to look for the section that says Photos. It's usually somewhere along the menu on your profile. I'll go ahead and click on Photos, and that opens up all the pictures connected to my account. Once that's done, I'm going to switch over to Albums. You should see it as one of the options in the Photos section. I'm just going to click on Albums, and now I can see all the albums I've created or saved. At this point, I'm going to choose an album. So I'm just scrolling through a bit here until I find one I want to open. Once I see it, I'll go ahead and click on that album to open it up. Alright, now I'm inside the album and I can see all the photos in it. So what I'm going to do is pick a photo that I want to delete. I'll just click on one of the photos and it opens up in a larger view. Now that the photo is open, I'm going to look for the three dot icon. It's usually somewhere on the screen, often in the corner. I'll go ahead and click on those three dots and that brings up a few options. From here, I'm looking for the option that says delete photo. Once I see it, I'll go ahead and click on it. And just like that, the photo gets deleted from the album. I'm just going to go through it again naturally as I'm doing it. Open Facebook, go to your profile, click on photos, then albums, choose an album, open a photo, tap the three dots and hit delete photo. You can repeat the same process for any other photos you want to remove. It works the same way each time, so once you've done it once, it becomes really quick and easy. So once that's done, the photo is no longer in your album and you're all set.